Okay, we've got an inequality question first, and you treat your inequalities exactly as you treat your equal sign. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay? So 2x plus 7 is greater than 4. Now, do you see I can take 7 from both sides? Now, I'm doing that because I want to try and get the x by itself. I know x is greater than. So I'm taking the 7 from both sides, and that means that 2x has to be greater than minus 3. I only want 1x, so if I halve it, I'm going to get 1x, and if I halve the other side as well, minus 3 over 2, or minus 1.5. So for the majority of cases, you're going to treat your inequality sign just like your equal sign. Now there's a big clue. They are actually helping you in this second one. I know it doesn't look like they are, but they haven't said give your answer to so many significant figures of decimal places, which means we've got whole number answers. And because I know that we've got whole number answers, I'm going to factorise this. And another reason I want to factorise it is because we've got 1x squared. These are the easiest ones to factorise. So where did I get that 40 from? It's 1x squared times by the last number is 40, or minus 40. And I'm going to find out the factors of 40 in this factor bug. 1 times by 40 is 40, 2 20s are 40, etc. 4 10s are 40, 5 8s. I'm going to stop at 5 8s because I can see that I can make a minus 3 out of a 5 and an 8. 5 take away 8 is minus 3, and 5 times by minus 8 is minus 40. And they're my two answers. So if I write that down as x plus 5 and x minus 8 equals 0, what I've achieved is I've written the question as a factorised expression. And why is that good to do that? Because you've got the answers really. X plus 5 is one factor. When can x plus 5 equal 0? Because 0 times by anything is going to be 0. So x plus 5 can equal 0, or x minus 8 can equal 0. We'll solve this equation. So x equals minus 5, or x equals plus 8. Do write a little note for the examiner that A&S or something like that, or the answer, x is going to be minus 5 or plus 8. Okay. Now, this is a bit of an essay, isn't it? I would pause this, but if you're not going to, the gist is that people that try to use the quadratic formula tend to make lots of silly mistakes. So it's quite easy in an exam condition to do that. So it's not funny. It's quite sad, really. And avoid that by doing the factorisation. Okay. Anyway, you can see you've got the right answers. X has to be greater than 1.5 and 8 minus 5. M and A marks, so no good just using your calculator.